Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve a common coding interview problem called Sort Array by Parity. This is a great problem for beginners to practice array manipulation and understand basic algorithmic efficiency. First, let's clearly define what we need to do. We are given an array of non-negative integers. Our task is to reorder this array so that all the even integers come before all the odd integers. The specific order of numbers within the even group or the odd group does not matter, as long as the evens are separated from the odds. Here is a visual example to help you understand. On the left, we have an input array with mixed numbers, 3, 1, 2, and 4. 3 and 1 are odd, while 2 and 4 are even. Our goal is to transform this into the output on the right, where the even numbers 2 and 4 are at the start, and the odd numbers 3 and 1 are at the end. Before we code, let's quickly review the concept of parity. Parity simply refers to whether a number is even or odd. In programming, we check this using the modulo operator, represented by the %sign. If a number modulo 2 equals 0, it is even. If a number modulo 2 equals 1, it is odd. The most intuitive way to solve this is the filter and merge strategy. It's very straightforward. Step 1, we look through the array and collect all the even numbers into a new list. Step 2, we do the same for odd numbers. Finally, in step 3, we just join the two lists together to get our result. Here is how that looks in Python code. We define a function called sortArray by parity. We initialize two empty lists, one for evens and one for odds. We loop through every number in our input array. If the number modulo 2 is 0, we append it to evens. Otherwise, we append it to odds. At the end, we return the concatenation of the even list and the odd list. While the first approach works, we can do better. We can use the two pointers technique to solve this in place. This means we don't need to create separate lists to hold our numbers. We will use a left pointer starting at the beginning of the array and a right pointer starting at the end. Here is the logic. We want even numbers on the left and odd numbers on the right. So if the number at the left pointer is even, it's already in the correct place, so we move the left pointer forward. If the number at the right pointer is odd, it's also correct, so we move the right pointer backward. However, if we find an odd number on the left and an even number on the right, they are both in the wrong place. So we swap them. Let's code the optimized solution. We initialize left at 0 and right at the last index. We enter a while loop that runs as long as left is less than right. Inside, we check our conditions. If the left number is even, increment left. If the right number is odd, decrement right. If neither is true, it means we found a pair to swap. We swap them, then move both pointers inward. Finally, return the modified array. Let's compare the two approaches. Approach 1 runs in linear time, or O of n, but it also uses O of n space because we created new lists. Approach 2 is far superior in terms of memory. It still runs in O of n time, but it has a space complexity of O of 1, meaning it uses constant extra memory regardless of the input size. To wrap up, remember that parity checks are done using the modulo operator. You can solve this simply by filtering into lists, but the professional way to solve it is using the two pointers technique to swap elements in place, saving memory. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.